Nuclear weapons. Nuclear bombs have been used only twice in history. During World War II in 1945, the United States dropped 2 atom bombs on Japan, causing severe destruction and much casualty. They were not used in any war after that. Currently the 5 recognized nuclear states in the world are the United States, China, the United Kingdom, France, and Russia, while 4 other countries have nuclear weapons. Of these, India, Pakistan and North Korea have carried out nuclear tests, while Israel is neither officially confirmed nor denied. According to estimates, the total number of weapons in these countries is around 14,000 and most of them are with the US and Russia. China's nuclear arsenal is estimated at 290, but it is likely to increase rapidly, and it is said that China will soon become the 3rd largest country with such weapons after the United States and Russia. The United Kingdom, with a total of 200 weapons. This is followed by the 2 South Asian countries, Pakistan and India, with 160 and 140 nuclear weapons reserves, respectively. Israel is ranked 8th on the list, after which it is estimated that there are 90 nuclear weapons, while the number of North Korean nuclear weapons is 30. Since 1970, 191 countries have joined the NPT, and the 5 countries considered nuclear weapons states, including the United States, Russia, France, and China. In 1986, the number of nuclear weapons available worldwide was 70,000, which has now reduced to 14,000. The United States, Britain, and Russia have reduced their weapons, but according to the Federation of American Scientists, China, Pakistan, India, and North Korea are making more weapons. At one point in July 2017, it seemed that the world was approaching a nuclear-free zone when more than 100 countries ratified the Union Treaty, which called for a complete ban. But the nuclear weapons US, UK, France and Russia boycotted the deal. Although the number of nuclear weapons in the world today is less than 30 years ago, they are still enough that they can destroy the world many times, and soon the world does not see them purified.